everyone, welcome to the Rock Dojo. My name is Brian Parham and I'll be your guitar sensei. For those of you who are part of the Rock Dojo community, I want to send a big shout out. Thank you so much. Your support helps me bring the positive power of rock guitar to kids all over the world. If you're not part of that community, then don't forget to subscribe. It's free and you'll never miss a lesson. Now, in this 60-second guitar lesson, I'm going to teach your kid how to play TNT by AC/DC. So the riff starts with an open E power chord. So I'm just taking my first finger and putting it on the second fret of the A string, and I'm playing the E and A together. From there, I'm going to take my middle finger and I'm going to play the third fret of the open E string. So far we have. And then I'm going to switch to the open A power chord. Unbelievably, this song only uses two power chords, the open E and the open A power chord. So you got open E, third fret of the low E string, which is a G note, to the open A power chord. So far we have. So we need that little last move there, A, G, A. So once again you have 1, 2, 3, 4. It just repeats. Finally, where it goes into the chorus, you have a really simple line that goes A, G, E. So that's when he starts to sing TNT. You got A, G, E. So let's play together nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to that other part. So there you have it, one of the most iconic, classic guitar riffs of all time. Thank you so much for watching this lesson, and don't forget your free bonus. Click on the link below to get your free guitar course for kids. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember, every guitar master was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you will become. Rock!